All right, guys, welcome to today's trade recap. Up around $3,200 on the day. Let's go over the trades and see what we took. Great start to February. It is February 2nd. So, great start. Let's keep it up. All right, guys. So, zooming into the hourly time frame, you can see that when market opened, we were very bullish. This was the opening candle right here, and you can see we pumped up heavy. On the 15-minute time frame, you can see we have these relative equal highs right here, and we also have this external high right here that's resting inside of the hourly imbalance and also the 4-hour imbalance. So bullish for the day, especially after getting the displacement up. So what do I want to look for? I want to look for some type of internal manipulation or some type of internal model to the upside, right? So zooming in, pretty simple trade. Um, you can see here, we ended up coming down, taking this internal low. Zoom in so you guys can see. You see, we put in the internal low, had a little pump up. I thought we were honestly just gonna pump from here and just miss the move, but you can see this candle displaced lower, took the internal low inside of the imbalance, still held the imbalance. So what do? As soon as this candle closes bullish, take a long with the stop at the wick low and then target the equal highs on the higher time frame. Now, looking at the 5-minute, we also have this 5-minute fair value gap. So this was a key area for me. I would have wanted this to just get ran through quick. I didn't want to see rejection, especially because I'm so close to my payout. I just need like one more or two more winning days. So didn't want to risk losing the winning day, right? So when I see us tap this 5-minute fair value gap and we instantly start rejecting even a little bit, I ended up just closing and taking my profit. I was happy um, for the day. And yeah, honestly, can't complain. I'm gonna pull it up here for you guys. Give me a second. My bad. I'm on the edge. All right, right here, you can see. Here are my accounts. Boom, $650 across 5 accounts. Um, Nothing more to say. Trade played out beautifully. You can see we did have go up a little bit higher, but never did end up taking the relative equal highs. We ended up sitting around, and then now we are going to take the highs now. So clear John liquidity. Just had to find the right model for it. Not trying to rush anything. I waited for manipulation, and that's what I said I was gonna do. It's kind of what I want to go over in this video. Um, January was a really dry streak for me, right? I feel like I was super overconfident and just not trading how I was October, November, and December, right? Those were my best trading months ever. And what was I doing? I was journaling every day. I was making videos consistently, and I was following my system day in and day out. Why switch something if it's working, right? I started losing and I couldn't take the losses. I was winning so much that when I started losing and I wasn't getting a payout every week, my mind just took a turn and I just started gambling. I was blowing accounts left and right, full porting evals. I started trading silver when I never even traded silver before. I just joined the hype. Um, so yeah, just stuff like that. And I want you guys to take that away from me, right? Um, I was doing so good just following my rules, and it sounds so simple because it is, but we just make it so much harder for ourselves because we don't just follow our rules, right? We always want to overtrade, over leverage. We can't take a loss. We can't just take one loss on the day and call it. We always want to end the day green, right? And that's just what's holding us back. Realistically, if you just follow your plan, follow your model, and you don't overtrade, you don't over leverage, you will become profitable. Most of you guys know how to trade. What's holding you back is your emotions, right? You can see, as soon as I started locking in, as you can see, I didn't journal January. That's another thing. You guys need to be journaling. This week or last week, I said, all right, I'm done with this. I'm locking in and I'm going back to how I used to be. I'm following my plan, I'm following my system, and I'm not diverting from that. Look, I haven't had a losing day since. I've had the biggest day I've ever had trading. Um, I'm one day away from getting a 10K payout with Lucid. Um, and yeah, everything is just starting to align again, right? All just from following my system and doing what I know I need to be doing, right? Journaling, following my plan, not over trading, not over leveraging, not trading Asia session, not trading gold or silver because NQ's has bad price action one day. Just wait for the next day. Why are you trading stuff that you don't have proven strategies and analysis that you trade well on? You know, the, it's all due to the fact that we want to make money fast. If NQ is chopping, the only reason we really want to trade gold and silver is to try to make money another way since we can't on NQ, right? Actually think about it. It all ties back to trying to make money. So, what am I trying to get at? I'm basically just saying follow your system. Take me as an example. As soon as I started focusing back on my rules and doing what I know what I need to be doing, everything started aligning. I'm starting to trade the best I've ever traded before. I feel amazing. Um, I end the trading day knowing I did everything I needed to do. I'm making videos again. I'm journaling. It's just that simple, guys. I just really want you guys to learn from me. You guys know how many payouts I was getting. I was getting a payout every week or two, and then January just a full drought, just losing money on evals and activation fees. So, um, and yeah, all due to me breaking my rules. So look at me now. Take me as an example. Please just focus, lock in, and let's kill the rest of the week. I'll see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's trade recap, and hopefully you guys understood the message and learned something from it. So, peace. Hope you guys banked today. If you didn't, it's all good. Join the free Discord if you haven't already. I'll leave the link in the description. Completely free. I send my pre-market analysis, and I also answer any questions you guys have for me. So join the free Discord if you haven't already. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at NateTrades_. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys. Peace.